Hi everyone. If you guys are interested in seeing how I go from this to this, then stay tuned. Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Nicole. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. And if you're back visiting, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm just going to walk you guys through a quick tutorial on how I achieve these gorgeous butterfly locks. They are crocheted in, and I must say that I am very happy with the way that these locks came out. So normally I'm not really a big fan of the whole distressed look. I'm a Virgo and I like things nice and neat. So I was a little iffy when it came to this hairstyle, but I must say I'm very happy with the way that it came out. So if you guys are interested in knowing the brand of hair that I use, the length of the hair, the color of the hair, how long it took me, is it heavy, is it lightweight, then make sure you guys stay until the very end of the video and I will give you guys all of those details. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, you guys, so starting off, you just want to divide your hair into two sections, a back and a front. And as you can see, the back section is cornrow down. Now, yes, my braids are messy and so are my parts, but that doesn't matter because that is not going to be seen. So here, I'm just going to continue braiding down my hair all the way to the very end. I didn't add any braiding hair or weaving hair. This is just my natural hair that I decided to braid down. So for the front, you just want to part your hair into medium-sized boxes, and you can either plait all the way down or you can twist your hair all the way down. I found that with the braiding, it was just taking entirely way too long, so I decided to twist it instead, and it was just way faster. I did, however, braid the base of the box just because it just allowed my roots to lay flatter versus twisting it. So I did braid it about an inch down and then I ended up twisting it. You don't have to use edge control on the base. You can use gel or jam or anything that's just going to allow your hair to be a tad bit more tamed. So you're just going to repeat that throughout the entire front section of your head. And this is how it should look. Next, you're just going to take your crochet needle, and before you install your lock, you want to make sure you pull that loop on the end. I did find that with this brand, the loops on the end are very small, and I did have trouble getting the lock through. So make sure you pull that loop to make it bigger, because if you don't, you will not be able to pull the lock through. So here I am showing you guys that I am able to pull the lock through with ease. So make sure you stretch the loop. So once you do that, you then want to weave your crochet needle through your lock until you get to the very top. And from there, you're just going to grab your natural hair and you're going to lock it inside of the crochet needle. And once it is locked inside of the crochet needle, you're just going to pull it through. Then you're going to take the lock and pull it down. And as you can see, your natural hair is going to be hidden inside of the lock. So to hide the rest of your hair, you're just going to repeat the process by working that crochet needle inside of the lock all the way until you get to where your natural hair is coming out of the lock. You are then going to push the needle through, pull your natural hair inside of the needle and lock it in, and then pull it through. Once you do that, you just pull down the lock and your natural hair is completely hidden. Now, as you can see, it did become a little unraveled, but all you have to do is just move the hair up and down as you see me doing here, and it's going to be fixed. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look, and like I said earlier, I'm very happy with the way that this style came out. So this hair is by Janet Collection, and it is in the color OET1B27, and basically that just gives, you know, a whole 1B at the root area and fades off into a 27 color as it goes down. So if you guys have been following me, you guys know my protective styles pretty much are always 1B27s. I just feel like this color complements my skin so well. So that's why I always get this color. I just love me a 1B27. Now this is in a 18-inch. And I stand at 5'10", so that's where it falls on me. Obviously, if you're shorter, it's gonna fall longer, and so on and so forth. So yes, it did take me about 4 hours to complete this hairstyle. It would have been shorter had my 1-year-old, you know, not been acting how he acted, but I mean, he's a 1-year-old. What do you expect? But yeah, I did have to take breaks because of him, but other than that, I feel like I definitely would have finished in a shorter amount of time. But yeah, that's neither here nor there. I did end up using about 6 packs, and I feel like my head is on the medium side. So if your head is on the bigger side, obviously you're gonna need more than 6 packs of hair. It does come 10 locks per pack. So you might want to keep that in mind. I did use a full 6 pack, and these are very full. They're very full. I love the way that it came out. They're not heavy either. They're not heavy. They're very lightweight, which was something that I wasn't expecting. To say that this hair is wrapped around, you know, more hair, it's not heavy. It's not heavy at all. So that's a major plus. I do not like crochet hair that is heavy. I won't keep the style in long. I'll get headaches. We all know what comes with, you know, heavy crochet styles. So happy I don't have to deal with those, you know, problems. So I do plan on keeping this style in for at least a month and a half. This is just an awesome protective style. Like, it's just so gorgeous to me. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it when it comes to the details of this hair. Of course, if I leave anything out, I will put it down below in the description box. And like always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.